Hey there, viewers. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I'm going to start off by saying pardon my voice and coughing if there are any in this video. I am just getting over COVID, and it has kicked my butt. And yes, I was fully vaccinated. So, what you're looking at is cherry blossom. We might be doing a little bit of work on this today, and not 100% sure. I do have to take that battery home, put it on charge. I'll probably get it tested to see if it's any good. Doubt it. This one here, the new one to the fleet, if you're not exactly sure which one this is, I will leave the tag to that one above. But the new one to the fleet now has a name. So this one now is Caspor. C-A-S-P-O-R. Do that for copyright so I don't get in trouble. Just be on the safe side. So not a whole lot has happened, Caspor. I don't think the gentleman realized that parking brake worked. Matter of fact, it didn't feel like it worked, and it was up. He wasn't too familiar with how it worked, but the reason Caspor got its name is because of the radio, and I will insert a small clip right here. It's funnier than funny. But that's not what we're going to be focusing on today. The radio is haunted. There's some wiring right there. Watch this. Yeah, that may not be the original radio. I think someone may have retrofit that in there. But it was kind of funny. As you can kind of see that little clip, that was taken the day we got the car. And I was actually able to get that to mess up in front of Mark. But today we are going to be trying to take out the headlight switch. You're probably thinking, why? Well, don't the headlights work? Kind of. Oh, I got them disconnected. But let me turn them on and give you an idea of what's going on. You see there's no marker lights. Oh, maybe it's just bad bulb. Nope, that one ain't working. The headlight works. No marker lights anywhere. And we have an audience, by the way. I'll show that to you in just a second. So yes, as you can see, there are no marker lights. And over there is the audience. Now, you're probably thinking, maybe they're all blown, right? No, I know they're not. You don't even get any interior lights. So here I am inside a Caspor. I just started it up. This car has some amazing compression. I say that because if you just heard the way it started, it's like chrump, and it's just got barely any power to even make the radio stay on. The radio's going pop, 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 pop. But anyway, it started, no jump. But here's what I'm talking about. You see the radio's still bright, and the headlights are on. Right there, they're on. And that's still bright now. There's the marker lights themselves. I'm turning the switch on and off. Nothing. Now watch what happens when I turn the headlights on slowly. See that? Right there. And when these come on in here, they all come on the car as well. Let's see if we can get this to stay in the right spot. Nope. And literally all I'm doing is just pushing it in just a little bit, as you can see. Watch right here on the speedo. See if I get this in the same shot. See that? But only when I turn the headlights on. See the marker lights? No matter what you do, they just don't work. So that switch is failing internally. So I'm going to take that out. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do here. I have another one, but I want to see if I can take this apart and clean it. So give me a couple minutes, I'll be right back. Alright guys, some time has passed. Check this out. Hey! And no, that is not the right time. It can't be 4:21, or yeah, 4:21, and it'd be this dark outside. So yeah. So the issue is this orange wire is supposed to feed the marker light's juice. I think I just blew my fuse from being on a little too long. Looks like the fuse may have blown. Yep, it did. So it's a little bit more than 3 amps. But it worked for that moment that the fuse was good. So now I have to track. Sorry guys. I have to now track back where this orange wire gets juice from. That will not be in this video. So the issue is there's no power at all on this wire, this orange one, like there should be. My little jumper, as you just saw, was going from the red, which is big and fat and juicy, to this little itty bitty tiny little, orange wire. But this guy, it's tiny. This is probably 14 gauge, and this is, I don't know, probably 12. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This is my culprit. This is what feeds the brown power when the lights come on. Now, it's kind of strange that it would blip. Ooh, that light just tried coming up. So you see the lights work. That one came up. I thought I had that unhooked. But anyways, yeah, that's the issue. Oh, that's my dinner. That's my issue. Now I have to look in my book over there to see where that's going to get power. Let's see if I can get the radio to do its little thing again here. All I did is literally just move those wires right there. Now back on Fleetwood Mac again. And it only does it once in a while. And I don't understand it. Like, see, I'm wiggling the wire. You can kind of hear it wanting to do something, but it only does it once in a while. Only when I'm with the wires, though. I don't understand what makes it do it when I wiggle that wire harness that's down there, right above my foot. Those wires right there that you can see, that's all I'm moving. Literally, that's all I do. Jiggle it around and it does what it just did. Anyways, doesn't matter. But that's how the car got its name. So guys, I'm sorry that wasn't much. It's probably not a very entertaining video. But now we kind of know where we got to go next in regards to cooling fan kicked on. Why the marker lights only work when you get it in the right spot. Really weird. I don't understand that. But yeah, that's definitely the issue. I blew a 3 amp fuse. You can kind of see it there. It's popped. Anyways. Yeah, she's popped. Yep. So I blew that 3 amp fuse, but it worked for that moment, as you can kind of see. So until next time, guys, stay safe. Smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Give me some credit where credit's due. Give me some thumbs up. Make sure you show me that you love these videos. This isn't much, but I apologize. But hey, until next time, guys, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. That's all, folks.